This video will show you how to replace your oil pressure sensor on the Subaru Outback with a 2.5-liter engine. This will be located on the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your engine oil filter and the housing. Just below that is where we're going to find our oil pressure sender. Start with the electrical connector. This is a single wire connector. Take hold of it and pull it straight forward and out of place. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, take a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion, and that would need to be dealt with. This looks fine, so let's continue on. For the removal of the original oil pressure sender, we're going to be using a 24mm socket. Keep in mind, when you remove this, oil may come out of this area. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installing any brand new part, clean and inspect the mounting area. For this, I'm just using a clean rag. We're not using any type of detergent that may make its way into the engine. Double check, make sure you have a clean mating surface, and we'll continue on with the installation. Now it's time to install the brand new oil pressure sender. On the threaded portion, you want to use some thread sealer. Once you have thread sealer in place, start this in by hand. For this oil pressure sender, we're going to want to have a specialty socket. Once you have the oil pressure sender socket in place, go ahead and turn this clockwise. When you're tightening this, you're going to find that it only goes approximately halfway down the threads until it feels as though it's snug. Once it does feel snug, you just want to continue on a tiny bit further, confirm it's secure, and continue on with your electrical connector. Line it up and we'll press it right on there. Double check to confirm everything's properly secured, and if there's any mess, go ahead and clean that up now. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is close the hood and start the vehicle. Confirm you have no oil light on the dash. Take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.